Hey guys, so somebody watched my video and said they were not able to make a call on their VMware when they connected to WhatsApp. Now, let me show you guys how that actually works. So I'm opening my VMware right now, and then on the other device, I am going to open the WhatsApp also so that I'll be able to pick up the call when it's coming in, right? Then I'm going to go over to WhatsApp. It's open already, and this is WhatsApp. So it's loaded up. This is my number. And I'm going to go ahead and dial this calling. And now this is actually what you need to do. If you've not done this, this is just necessary. Click on continue. You notice where it says allow to record, allow. Now, this is going to show, I'm going to say while on the app, and you can notice my other phone is ringing from the other device. Now I can answer this call and then put it on loudspeaker so that you can hear. And this is actually me speaking, and from the other device, I can hear my voice very well. So if you are not hearing your voice, or for some reason you cannot hear what you are saying, that is obviously from your end. So I think the call works very well, and also the audio works. So if you have any question apart from this, let me know on the comment section. I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and peace.